Right, okay, so I'm going to just quickly recap loading the graphic, adding a graphic to the system. So first bit, right click on the graphics folder, add existing item. Where did I put it? 2016. Right, so there is my sprites one. So just do add. Hopefully it'll turn up. The next thing, we need to go into setup and storage folder, find assets, and we need to find textures. So if we just scroll down from the top, you can put them anywhere in here, but try and keep them together. It makes it easy. So I need a texture to store that graphic when it gets loaded. So texture 2D, TX, main sprites, I'm going to call it. So all my sprites are going to be on that one. It's not going to be a very complicated game. Okay, so that's step 2. And then the final bit is to ask the loading system to load it. So I'm just going to copy and paste one of these lines from that start preloader. I'll show you something else quickly in a sec as well to help you navigate. Leave all this bit the same, don't change that. You just need to change what texture to store it in. So TX, main sprites, and the file name. So everything other than the final extension. So it is sprites.fw. You can, if you go and right click and say rename, you should be able to copy and paste. I wish you could drag and drop file names, but you can't. And then just delete the .png, but anything to try and stop it making mistakes because you spelled something wrong. Okay, so you can always test that to make sure it loads it properly just by running once you've added a graphic. And if it doesn't crash, it's worked. Okay, right, just a quick navigation thing. This is new in 2015. If you open any of these, so I know basic container, but I don't know what's in it. If you keep clicking the pluses, when we get to the object definition, it'll list the subroutines and the fields that you can have, the data. And then you can double click them easy. I'm finding I'm using that quite a lot now. You used to have to do class view to do that, but they've sort of like embedded it all. Because I think everybody used to get fed up with class view because it resets. I don't know why. So any of these, so if you're in assets and you can, where's that preloader one? Start preloader, there it is. Where's my textures? Oh, there's my textures. Do it that way. And they stay open as well. So it makes really easy to navigate around. Right, I'll stop that vid there.